say ye ko weekend bi say ba na ama enkomo about whether Arsenal indeed ebetimi ajelegi na asa die makase denti am wo gidie say Arsenal na bejelegi no and say even when who raise you doubt say Arsenal enye complete team omo be winning all their games ah Makacho say for Arsenal not to win, Klaus Bitti say Manchester City, Chelsea, Aston Villa, Liverpool, they must get a certain level of momentum and a consistency and sign up beside Arsenal. But you don't see them having
especially that. Man City.
Omunibi.
Omunibi a catch, but
Omunibi.
Almost a couple drag against Tottenham.
That is it. Enti say Arsenal for that. Na erezi and comfort that oh yeah catch them mo gidie wa Arsenal mu no me catch you say teams na mo so mo abesai Arsenal no they are more inconsistent than Arsenal and never ma Arsenal G League no na Arsenal game no ko win e wo Ellen Road no a game they made two statements with it. First statement, you know, proud to the game. The biggest analysis I go for here against Arsenal was that untimi nye team up so league England. Na uni striker almost a certain number of goals. Send your Premier League ni debia obi oji league bia a certain striker bia all man goals bebria all making sure so on no carry team ni da kwa league no. Now the breakdown statistics from Athletic Crowd was that Uyi penalties, set pieces, own goals. Every goals are teams assessor. Na osha omo pray for the Liga. Na Arsenal ka omo very few open play goals no. Arsenal then before winning this game has scored 22 goals from open play out of 23 games at Omabo. The same as Chelsea. But club which say Man City had got 36 goals from open play. Liverpool had 28 from open play. Manchester United had 26 from open play. Bournemouth, Villa, Brentford had 24 from open play. And the analysis was that say Arsenal able depending on set pieces, penalties, own goals. Now we say omode and no ekwakoji liga. They thought say no, I was more lucky baby. Now in the game against Leeds, 4 goals now share. First one was a corner situation. And at least a heady player. Then quickly the rebound from the header na and the man cross in the coma Zubimendi betu share. Then another corner. And Madueke 2 and Omo Akasa show more. And Arsenal were winning the game 2-0. But the statistics say Arsenal are not scoring goals from open play. No, still came back to one side game now. They were still winning. No, until Gabriel Martinelli asserted Vitor Gyökeres up for the goal. No, then Gabriel Jesus added the finishing tactics and Eka Homa Arsenal chef for. So Arsenal goals no more. 2 were from the normal situations. I didn't say Arsenal yeah they part this season with it, and 2 were from where would the strikers start scoring open play goals for team at your friend Arsenal, and they make sure say they finish off some analysis, you know, and go for a year for more going into the game. So, look, Mimi, I still tip Arsenal. Say, league, you know, on budget.
Yeah, budget. League, no idea Arsenal budget.
Now, Rich, Yaka Arsenal say media, Yemfa City and Sani Yaka. Look, Unum says since 2021-2022 season, Man City and Tottenham about 12 games, only 4 penalty winning.
City too much.
Yes.
I don't know, man. I born in Shia.
Yes. Pep intimidates Tottenham. And even when Pep eshe 2-0. I knew say Tottenham just need to find one moment and their case ebesa babim. Mini what reaction. First goal na Solanke there, it was a free kick. Because when the build up to the goal now, Dominic Solanke, the final touch to the ball, no, and ye ball na naika he, and magei and echi and o bonus ano, and the momentum now or the ball nine and as I force ball no ekose net in no. Now you see, many Man City team no, eya adwin say, enka in the era of video assistance there. Let's give the benefit of the doubt as a referee and who is that. Now, more video no huna more akonya se mo replay. Now more advice referee no on it. You also say you didn't see. Metisa commentator neka say oh the VAR was asked to look whether there was an offside. Look, that can be an excuse. Say go sha. The reason why I am not trying VAR so the goal is all clear. They say they check every situation. Be a goal,
especially this a goal no crowd doubt on.
Exactly, every situation, including fouls, offsides, any sound of money. And for the VAR to check and give the go ahead, say Dominic Solanke first goal and standing there. Many omonyaji and the outburst from Rodri on the post-match press conference, you know, was well on point. Now the scorpion from Solanke. Look, Adia Bakwa Emma Min GCT team win did this season. And I say, Rich, Omunti mean controlling momentum. Even when a warm side, Omasho Bako, Omasho Minu, the city I knew in the past will control the momentum of compensate upon. Either so much of Biaka, and I said they will control the game from you now Omadi upon. But this team can't do that. And it's a winner moment to be you easily turn momentum against them. Not what me Abba back. Just a problem no. Minim but Rich say obi a what see platform we there. And Kayaman Chimuna clear. Say the rotation policy at Chelsea and yet coach a decision. It is the sporting decision at the club. We did it when Enzo Maresca resignation and I say Nesaki the Bayern. If you explain it, elaborate, say one of the issues pop it up. Until Enzo Maresca said, look, on the control of Chelsea team was that he's been asked per the sporting policy of Chelsea say, Yakoto Nkrabi Braba. We've convinced them of our project. And we've assured them say they will be part of the team. Until you can't just restrict yourself to first 11B consistently. Now, Liam put it in a very, very nice way. Or say, Omuko on the post, no. Omu free Italy, or show the players then will play anymore to say, it be a brepa. And Sabrina whom I will place anymore. I reflect ahead of Omuni West Ham game, no. Until he became convinced that look, players need a break, so they need a rest kakra. But no credit say, even if he decided, say okay, a breum, but can I play my best 11, get the job done early? He couldn't have done that. Because the club policy and say he needs to rotate the team. And so on your opportunity to be against club is a West Ham. Oh, where you be convinced and say, oh, West Ham cry, oh, nyadi. Eti, mamema Pedro Neto tina bench. Na mema getting sini ganacho, mumbo ewa wings ho. Mamema kukwera antero, na mema hacho mo. Enye hui, mamema reserves tina bench. Na mema malo gusto susu enya kwa no mobi. Mamem benchi for four na mo, na bedi ashie mumebo. But in the second half, when he had to bring in the Miminu who said these are the first 11 of Chelsea in big games, you know, they came and got the job done. That is West Ham. West Ham this season are very, very poor when it comes to defenses and mentality. 89 one say only the second half Chelsea were able to turn things around. But they say a problem in the rotation there that is bigger than the Amrosene. is way bigger than him. And a club wouldn't answer in your massa, and Chelsea are going to face this. Rich, me who is about the actual bet about Chelsea. No,
we're too slow to do. Too slow.
The opportunities given him. Now, yes, Liverpool got Nhyira and or a player now you can ask him say Chelsea penal. Sometimes when we sit here and we make some analysis, it is as if say as we are too far from the situation and yeah ideal analysis. But it turns out to be true. And Opeya, Match Law is reporting say Chelsea are bringing back Mamadou Sarr from Strasbourg back to Chelsea. And the reason why Chelsea are fighting Liverpool giddy on Jeremy Jackie. And it makes sense. Because minim the Jeremy Jackie or Sarr can't offer Chelsea that.
Young.
Yes, young centre back. Yes. And he said, why don't you trust a young guy? What the can show the previously was scouting. Now what to me, Edna, but maybe sometimes when you make this analysis, but when you have a boy within your own ranks, minim na Jeremy Jackie ba watching player be say Jose Champion. At the end of our team, you can't give that opportunity to Jose Champion. And these are the things I love Barcelona as a club, no. Rich say, and yes, I will bow with the baby Strunkubieba. Now, we are young, and they will give it to a La Masia boy. Because so it makes a lot of sense. Look, a dream maybe in Mugame, no, against Fulham, no, Name Yak, I said, Mayu Mamunyana Mundum Jai. Then came that goal from Benjamin Sesko, and I'm saying good. A very, very good for the season. Rich, Michel Mugame ni we no. Me few talking points. Number one, Casemiro. And it was within the week that officially Man U announced say about season we are Casemiro will be leaving. Look at the performance he gave. A goal or an assist no dem akunya. You any pass o.
Any granted they are to.
Yes.
YouTube no.
And Rich, ye ni free game anymore. Then you saw Manchester United starting becoming shaky. And let me be say I have no real stories in the question. In the week that he has been announced, so look at how prominent and important Manchester United again as Old Trafford. Rich, many the message I already see by a yard. The change of formation yes, we've talked about the change of formation. But you see, Rich, your idea about could be a trigger. It's made the consequences be brave. The change of formation has brought confidence, belief, good mindset. Players in the bubble not to say they are playing for a certain coach. Even go and watch Matthias Cunha go no say. And the way Ahmad in Bomo, yes, I know money ne kosa. You could see, say, Manchester United players, now think they are liberated, and they want to prove BB. That is what you get in a team. And I was very, very happy, say, Omutimi Barca won against Elche, and your game we expect Barcelona to labor our game. Yes, let's try say breaky Barcelona high line, and they got a lot of chances out of it, but Mentimi and finish it, and Barcelona 80 kilo more off. Real Madrid Breyer. Metiasia a derby via Cano Madrid Como. But Rich, a quite a Real Madrid Faso Breyer. Minim say be a post ye season now, they will let Abeloa go. But coach will be baby. Coach Bro baby abebre. Team no work ethics in yet. And your players know the work ethics. Or more home from one of the born. Rich, can you believe say? Me share Real Madrid ni wherever I can. Madrid able 1-1. Akabe 5 minutes am yapon. Wherever I can at the ball and I'm baby of Vinicius Ojinano. And he's not running. And Abelo was Susan a bench won't mean Tiano. He's not. Look, South Subine the and what I say, the only coach I fear, Saria Madin and never a club. Nukrenium club almost so sanse on so. And say club bar, you ask those say Madrid their club will be at the president money sporting directors who influence. But Rich, a coach like club will tell them, look, you need to get these lazy folks out of my team. Say if you want me to rebuild that. And me sure say, even in the process of convince club, say after the season, you made him come say he's near the job. Rich, no one will this commander, and they promise they will give him that authority, and say no about Real Madrid work at this Yana. Rich, minimum no secret. Atletico Madrid, the man on my Pamudia go Simeone. Unu say omubo draw against Levante we yes you omo to Ayala, Leonardo. Yes you omo say to Ademola Lukman. Yeah. And I say, hey, just someone there. 2 players in the man is. You don't hear any pressure from the Spanish press on Diego Simeone. Hey, you may be at the rich. You may be at the. You may be at the bar.
Week 21 of the Ghana Premier League in this weekend, dear boy. Na Osha result na Pando na Lions.